What's up, folks? I'm Mitch with Stone Coat Countertops. If you're a homeowner, landlord, or just looking to breathe new life into your space, then you've come to the right place.
Are you looking for a quality countertop solution that's not going to break the bank? Look no further than Stone Coat's Carrara Marble Epoxy Countertop Kit. Our high-quality epoxy system is user-friendly, simple to apply, and customizable, giving you the ability to completely transform your kitchen or bathroom in a single weekend. The kit has everything you need to create a realistic marble surface with an easy-to-apply formula that's both VOC-free, heat, scratch, and UV resistant, meaning it's going to last a long time in the kitchen and bathroom environment. Plus, our helpful video tutorials break down how to do it into easily digestible steps so that anyone can use it. Stone Coat Epoxy was designed for the homeowner do-it-yourselfer with a long open working time. From existing countertops to wood purchased from your local hardware stores, Stone Coat's Carrara Marble Epoxy Countertop Kit is the perfect balance of quality and affordability. There are many different marble styles you can achieve with our Carrara Countertop Kit. Mix up the epoxy, add in color, then pour out your new countertop right out of the bucket directly over your existing surface. Or get your hands sticky with a hand-milled marble. We teach you how to do it step by step. Our system is perfect for homeowners who want to renew their space, landlords who want to keep their surface durable and looking great between tenants, and contractors who want to offer different and affordable options to their customers. So what are you waiting for? Transform your kitchen or bathroom counters today. Elevate that space with Stone Coat's Carrara Marble Epoxy Countertop System. From all of us here at Stone Coat Epoxy, don't forget you've got this, and we can't wait to see what you create.